Hi, welcome to TG Idea for Innovation. Today we are with an innovative project, and this project is about vehicle theft detection with a vehicle security system. And here we have the options of vehicle tracking and vehicle security system. So here the vehicle ignition will be started using a OTP, and the technology we are using is IoT, Internet of Things. So we have made a request for the OTP now. So the OTP has been received, that is 7698 7698, and to confirm the password OTP. So the ignition is turned on of the vehicle. So next is if I want to turn off the ignition, we can press D. So we'll check with the wrong password what is the output will come out. If I press A, and a OTP will be sent to our phone, that is 7973. So we'll type with a different OTP. So it's a wrong OTP we are typing, and we are trying to log in the vehicle. See, it will generate a buzzer, and so that, and it will show an invalid OTP to the authorized person. If there any person accessing the vehicle, so that it will send a password is wrong, someone is trying to hack your vehicle. So next is there is also a fuel level monitoring. We have using for level of monitoring of vehicle fuel, we are using an ultrasonic sensor. So to know the vehicle fuel level, so we can have the notification too. So if the fuel is empty over the tank, so it will send a notification to the concerned person too. So that is about the fuel level monitoring. And if the vehicle has got fallen in the parking area, so that will be also detected. So we need to activate the fall detection notification. I will tilt out this unit now. So now you can see the vehicle fall is detected. So this is about the vehicle fall detection, and if you deactivate, the vehicle will get to know the vehicle has been fallen. Some person has damaged our vehicle. So and we can localize the vehicle location. This is about the vehicle theft detection with the security system.